Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very special video because for the first time I'm sharing a baby facial routine. This is a baby facial that I recommend for babies and children of any age, boys or girls, and it is a very good facial because it's so mild, it's so gentle. It will help with eczema, dermatitis, sunburn. It also helps with dry skin conditions because it's anti-inflammatory, and it is also really moisturizing for your child. They will be really happy with this, and trust me guys, I've tried and tested this. So it's really simple. What you need is some rice. I use white jasmine rice. You can use any sort of white rice, and the other main ingredient is oats. What I like to do is I get whole oats, and then I actually crush the rice and the oats, and I make them into a very fine powder. So when you do make the powder, make it yourself at home. Use a blender or a food processor. I actually recommend to make it extremely fine, just so it's not irritating to the baby's skin. As always with the remedies that I share, I recommend doing a patch test on your child just in case they're allergic to any ingredient. You know, we never know what they're allergic to, so always do a patch test. But this is generally very natural and very safe. So after you've blended it, I've taken 2 tablespoons of rice, 2 tablespoons of oats. I'm just gonna get the powder in a bowl. You can make this powder and you can put this in their bath, and it will help with their full body dryness and eczema as well. What you want to do is you want to take a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory. It's really soothing to the skin, but still do a patch test. The other ingredients I'm going to add is some full cream milk. Make sure you use full fat ingredients, and some yogurt, also full fat. So you can use either or. I actually use both because this actually really hydrates Inaya's skin. It's really gentle. It's really going to add a lot of moisture back to the children's face, and it's also going to keep the mask on their face because of the yogurt. It just gets a really nice paste texture. What you want to do is you want to make a smooth paste. This facial is good to use for about 3 to 5 days. You can keep it in the fridge, but I actually recommend making it fresh every time you use it if you're gonna be using it like every week. And you can apply it to their entire body if they've got any sunburns, if they've got any other skin conditions, or even if they've got eczema or dermatitis on their hands. You can apply it to their hands, let it dry for just 10 minutes and wash it off. So I'll tell you my routine. Obviously, this is just my personal routine for Inaya and just how I like to do things. So on a Sunday, what I like to do is I like to put oil in her hair. So as you can see, I've got some oil in her hair. I've tied her hair up. The oil that I used was extra virgin olive oil. You can also use virgin coconut oil. That's really good as well. I also give Inaya like a good massage with baby oil or the same coconut oil. And then I wash her face. Make sure you wash the kid's face before you apply it. Make sure there's no food, nothing on their face. And then apply the mask. If they're not too young, like Inaya over here, she's 1.5, I think. She's really young. But if they're not too young, what you can do is you can apply it to their feet and their hands as well. If I get this on her hands and, feet, I would be really lucky. Luckily, I got it on her face. And what I do is I just leave it on for about 20 minutes. You want to let it get dried and absorbed into the skin. And then the best thing to do is give him a bath. So what I do is I give Inaya a warm bath, and the remaining mixture of oats and rice flour, I put it in the bath. And this actually soothes her entire skin. So the reason I actually did this is because when she was about 5 months, she got a really bad sunburn, and also she was getting eczema on her face because I get eczema when it's winter as well, and this fixed it. So that's the thing that I absolutely love doing. Let him sit and let him enjoy it, let him play around with it, and then wash it off. You're good to go. I highly recommend this facial. Make sure you share this facial with anybody that might benefit from it. The other thing I want to recommend if your child does suffer from eczema or dermatitis, is using aloe vera. So you can rub the aloe vera on their hands or their face. Make sure they're not allergic. Make sure you do a patch test. I actually do fresh aloe vera on Inaya, and you can do this after the facial as well when you want to moisturize the skin. It's perfect. And I couldn't put cucumbers on her eyes, so I just put cucumbers and I left them there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you recommend this to all your mommy friends. Take care, guys. Bye.